Okay, we're over here at the common jewelweed, also known as touch-me-nots, and they name it that because when you touch their seed pods, they burst open. Let's see. Is that a seed pod? Oh, yep. Doesn't burst open though. Maybe it's not dry enough. But hummingbirds like those. I want to plant some more. Let's run over the strawberries. We got a lot of blooms on the strawberries. I'm looking at it from the top side here now. See what we got here. Because when I was watering, I really didn't see a whole lot of strawberries.